Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Today we're in the kitchen and we're working on our sink. Our little sprayer doesn't work well. If you watch it, when I turn the water on, most of the little holes in the nozzle, we don't get water out of them. The ones that do, they shoot in various directions. They're just a bit clogged up. So today we're going to show you how to fix that. Okay, to fix this problem, first we're going to talk about the spray nozzle. Some of these, the very end here, will unscrew. If it will, you can take it apart and it's easier to clean, but you can still clean it even if you can't get it apart, like this one won't come apart. But we will unscrew it from the hose. Got some water in it, stick that back here, get out of our way. But this part we can still clean. Now the way we're going to clean it, even if you can take the end off, you clean it the same way. We're going to use this product called CLR, stands for calcium, lime, and rust. If you're not familiar with this product, you can get it at most any of your big box hardware stores, you can get it at grocery stores. Just about anybody that sells cleaning supplies will have this product. And if you read the instructions for things like this, and it also works well on shower heads. If you got a shower head that doesn't work well, the little aerators on your sink, if they get clogged up and are not working well, same thing, clean them the same way. But the instructions say mix it for this kind of an application 50-50 with water. Now we've got a cup here where we've already mixed it 50-50 with water. We're just going to take our nozzle, stick it down in there. We'll turn it a little bit so we get water down inside the nozzle. So we've actually got water in here as well as the bottom end in the solution so that it can soak. And instructions on the bottle tells you to let it soak at least 2 minutes. You don't want to leave it in there for an extended period, but a couple minutes. The first time we did this, we did about 2 minutes. We took our nozzle out, we tried it, and it worked better. But it wasn't quite as good as we wanted, so we did it a second time, another minute or two. Now what we did when we took it out, right now there's still CLR solution in here. Now I'm going to leave that in there. I'm going to hold this like this. I'm going to take my hose and I'm going to screw it in. But that CLR is still in the nozzle. Now when I turn the water on and I pull the handle, it's going to push that CLR through there to help clean out the crud and stuff that it's already loosened up. So I cut the water on. And if you can see that, that is far and away better than what we had to start with. It looks like every nozzle is open and clear. It's spraying like it's supposed to. Just works great. So that's how you can clean your sprayer nozzle in your sink if it's not working well. Like I said, the aerators on your sink, you can clean them the same way. Your shower heads in your shower. This product will clean the calcium and stuff off of those products and make them work well again. And if you find this video useful, please click like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for visiting Do It Yourself with Wayne. We hope you have a great day.